What is lack of foundation in courtroom objections? Have you ever wondered what happens when a lawyer tries to introduce evidence without the proper groundwork? This is where the term lack of foundation comes into play. In a courtroom, this objection is raised when a party attempts to present evidence or ask a question without first establishing the necessary background. This background is essential to show that the evidence or testimony is relevant and reliable. To put it simply, before a witness can share their thoughts on a topic, the attorney must demonstrate that the witness has the right qualifications or direct knowledge about that subject. For instance, if a witness is asked about the makeup of a tennis ball, the attorney needs to first confirm that the witness has experience or expertise in that area. If this step is skipped, the opposing attorney can object, claiming there is a lack of foundation. They argue that the testimony is not based on solid ground and may even be speculative. The main goal of this objection is to ensure that only trustworthy and relevant evidence is presented in court. This helps maintain fairness during the trial process. Courts follow strict rules of evidence, like the federal rules of evidence or specific state codes, which requiring this foundational step before admitting any testimony or documents. Establishing foundation can involve several steps. First, attorneys may ask preliminary questions to confirm a witness's personal knowledge. This helps establish their credibility. Second, documents must be authenticated. This means showing they are genuine, often through testimony from someone who can verify their origin or content. Lastly, it is important to demonstrate that the evidence is relevant and connected to the case at hand. If the foundation is not properly laid, the judge may sustain the objection. This means the evidence or testimony will not be considered by the jury. On the other hand, if the foundation is established, the judge may overrule the objection and allow the evidence to be presented. In essence, a lack of foundation objection challenges whether the proper background has been set to admit evidence or witness testimony. This is a common and important part of courtroom procedure during the trial phase, ensuring that the judicial process operates fairly and according to legal standards. Understanding this concept can help you appreciate the careful steps taken during a trial to ensure justice is served.